Hello everyone, I am Achinta Kumar, University. I am self-motivated for hardworking and trying to best for myself. And I like to say about my past. I was born in Bogura, complete my SSC from Kolani High School and HSC from Summit School and College. After completing my SSC, I was totally frustrated. I will conduct my next journey. Then I have selected Daffodil International University for my BBA program. When I studied here, my thinking was totally changed. I saw that environment is too much helpful for a new student. Every teacher, they ask treat that child and how we can grow to achieve our goal and objectives. Day by day, I have come to know there is no alternative to develop self skills, and I focus on it. I would like to say that here I have acquired many skills like communication skills, technical skills, self-development and intellectual growth, etc. As I mentioned that I am too much passionate about my career, try to best achieve my goals. My aim in life to be entrepreneur. Here I am motivated from marketplace. DIU also supporting us very well. They are improve ourselves different kind of research, event management, something like that. Sometimes they manage various kind of company for visit. That's why we can proper knowledge about what's happening certain market. Besides my education life, I spend free time by reading book, traveling and attending various type of functions. So thank you Daffodil and Daffodil family to provide me such an opportunity to catch my goals properly.